Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive movement. When you can stop and think about that, not that long ago the price was down around here. Now all of a sudden the price is up here. Sure, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a good solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 35-cent mark. Why is 35 cents important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 35. If the price were to come down to 35 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. Now what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 35 cents. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, first key seller going to be right up here at 45 cents. If you go back through the history of things, you can see that back here, 45 presented a problem. Earlier today, presented a problem. Yeah, the price did temporarily break above it, but that didn't last for very long. And then even the final 30 minutes there, you can see the price once again got right up around that 45-cent mark. So I'm not saying 45 cents can't be broken, just saying that apparently the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but stay up above it. So big picture-wise, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.